Hey creatives, I hope you are doing well. Now welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to walk you through 2025 Merry Christmas poster design on Affinity Designer. So by the end of this video, you will be able to do it in a very confidently. If you are new or not subscribed my channel, please make sure you subscribe for your best support of my channel. Now let us dive in. First, go to File and create a new with these dimensions. And here I change from millimeter to pixels. So I use 10.8 weight width and height. Let us use this 13 to 50 color RGB. Now create. Then go to rectangle tool and create a rectangle above your artboard. Change color. Change fill color to this color. And here make sure that the color you use, it follows the theme of an event. Do not use or choose whatever the color, but choose a color that follows the guide or theme of an event. After you finished, go to filters and add noise. Add noise around is 17 or 15 to 17. Now let us create a contrast. Go to ellipse tool and create an ellipse above your layers. You don't need to be perfect. Change color to white. As I've said that you don't need to be perfect. Now go to filters and apply Gaussian blur. Now my contrast, I don't want to see in this color. So to change this color, go to blending mode and choose the blending mode from normal to overlay. Yes, let's adjust this preview. Now reduce the noise around 12. Yes. So perfect, around 12. If you are finished, stop this there, then go to an ellipse, create a perfect shape above the layers. Then go to text tool and create a text around this ellipse. Then you may write your own text, but here I'm going to use Merry Christmas text according to the theme of an event. Let us change the font to Montserrat. Then make it extra bold. Now select post text and merge, right click, merge selected. Now let us change the preview by using perspective tool. If you think that you can't be perfect, try to create or draw a line. Yes. For me, this one is perfect. Then select, go to FX, then change color overlay to yes, gold. This gold, of course, gold is cool. Then close, reduce opacity a little bit, around 85. Then go to file and press an object. Yes, this looks good. Now we have to create a shadow. In this software, it's unlike Photoshop. It needs more creativity to succeed your plan. For example, if you need to create a shadow in this software, or you should go to Layer Effect or FX, then choose Outer Shadow, then the offset and radius, and this is intensity. And if you want to separate, then you come to offset, then you see how you can do. Now myself, I don't want this shadow on my design, so what can I do? I have to create my way. Now go to ellipse and draw an ellipse below the object. This time you don't need to be perfect. Then change color to black. Then below an object. Yes. Let us apply Gaussian blur. Go to filter, then filters, then Gaussian blur. Around this 10.9 pixels looks good. Then reduce an opacity to around. Then if you are finished, then go to files and press other objectives and preset to complement the design. Then go to filters, this time choose motion blur. Choose around this 33, 32.8 pixels and 45 degrees. Duplicate this object and press here. Press another object, this time using this bar. Then go to filters, motion blur, use motion blur around this. Then go to files again, now let us add a heading. I have a text prepared. So the same design you can do in a different style like this. So here I tried to change the color of the heading by using this layer effect, particularly color overlay. The same to this round text, and I change the icon at all in all remain on the theme of a Christmas poster design. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you for watching my video. If the tutorial is helpful, please write the comment below, and do not forget to like, share this video, and the most important is to subscribe my channel for upcoming tutorial that I have been dropping every week. Thank you very much. See you until next time.